You have been tricked. You think buying a nice car, a big house, and fancy clothes proves you are winning. But the banks and marketers have lied to you about what an asset actually is. Here is the only definition that matters. If it takes money out of your pocket, it is a liability. Today, I am exposing the 5 fake assets that keep the middle class poor, and what you should buy instead. Fake asset number 1, the car. The moment you drive a new car off the lot, it loses 20% of its value. You pay for gas, insurance, and repairs. That car is not an investment, it is a hungry pet that eats your freedom. Fake asset number 2, your primary residence. Everyone says, "My house is my biggest investment." Wrong. Unless you rent it out, your house takes money out of your pocket every single month. The bank owns the house, you just own the debt. Fake asset number 3, cash in the bank. Savers are losers. While your money sits there, inflation is eating it alive. Fake asset number 4, the useless degree. If your degree doesn't directly increase your income, it's not an asset. It's a mortgage without a house. Fake asset number 5, designer gear. Buying luxury brands to impress people you don't like is the fastest way to stay broke. So, what should you buy? Real assets, things that pay you, stocks, rental properties, and businesses. Stop trying to look rich and start getting rich. Subscribe to Profit Hunter, and I'll teach you how to build the real money trees. Thanks for watching.